What's up, everybody? Gonna introduce you guys one of my favorite drinks, which is an old fashioned. Gonna make it Deonte style. First, start off with a little whiskey. I know a lot of times it's mixed with bourbon, but this is my drink, so I'm gonna do it my way. I want to feel right tonight, so I'm gonna give it a double shot. Boom. There we go. Next thing you know, we'll drop in a little syrup to it. Don't make it too sweet. Gonna get a little flavor. Next thing you know, you're both gonna drop a little bit of those bitters in there. Give a little added flavor. Rim it out with an orange peel. Boom. Let's drop that little ice spear in there. Great little conversation piece. Get ready to smoke it out. Put those wood chips on top of it. There we go. Alright. Then we're gonna set that thing up on fire. Got the smoke going. Gonna add a lot of flavor to it. Try not to burn my damn house down in the process. And there you go. Delicious drink. I'm waiting for some good conversation.